Hit it!
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm coming to you all today with another Crafty Vision segment. Today, y'all, I'm going to pretty much show y'all how to make a abstract earring. Y'all know I'll be doing a lot of earrings, okay? I'm going to show y'all how to make an abstract earring using aluminum wire, okay? So here are the items that you're going to need for this here tutorial. You're going to need 2 dowels. This dowel here is about 1/2 inch thick, okay? I got this from Home Depot. I actually had it cut in half. And this dowel here I got from Dollar General, but you can also find these at Walmart, and you may be able to find these at any craft supply store, okay? I have a piece of 12 gauge aluminum wire, and my aluminum wire is about 25 inches long. You are also going to need your round nose pliers and your wire cutters, okay? So let's go ahead and get right on into this. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to take your wire and you want to come down about maybe 2 inches. Let's see what we have here. About 2.5 inches. Come down about 2.5 inches on your wire. And you're going to make a loop just like this. You make your loop. All right, you pinch both sides over and you're going to give it a twist. Now when you give it a twist, you're going to pinch one side up. So this side, the short side, is the side you're going to pinch up. And then you're going to take this off and you're going to start wrapping this around your wire. Okay, you're going to pinch that up, and this is pretty much what you're going to have, but you're going to start just wrapping this, okay? And you can wrap it as many times as you see fit. So that's 2 times already. I'm just going to continue to wrap this up. Maybe about, so I have 4 and 5, okay? Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to come down. So I'm going to just take and bring my wire like this and start wrapping it just like this down. Okay, I hope y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. Let me move this out the way. And you're just going to come down just like this. And you're going to come all the way down. All right. Once you get all the way down, then you want to start making some loops. All right. So your very first loop you're going to make is you're going to come here and you're going to make your loop just like this. All right. Just like that, okay? That's your first loop. Then you want to come a little ways down and make another loop right here. Okay, just like this. That's your second loop. And then you want to take and make another loop, but you want to try to get it in the center, okay? So you want to bring that down like this, and you want to try to make that loop, put that loop in the center of your loop, your big loop, just like this, okay? And you may from time to time have to do some adjustments, but that's all good. Now this is pretty much what you're going to have. This is what your piece is going to look like. So now you're going to come here and you're going to make another loop just like this, because you're going to have 5 loops all together. All right. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you're going to come here and you're going to make this loop. You're going to turn it just like this. All right. And that's what you're going to have. So this is going to be what your earring is looking like at first. Okay. So the next thing you do is you want to go and take it to the back. Okay, you want to take your wire to the back of this piece here, and then you want to start, you're going to take it through the front and pretty much squeeze it like that. Let's not make it too tight. Okay, you want to squeeze it. And then you're going to come back through on this side right here. Take it through. And you're going to squeeze it. Okay. Then you're going to come down here. Take it through again. And you're going to squeeze it. Okay. And this is what it's going to be looking like, okay? Then you want to take it, you want to take it through, and then you want to take it back through again, like this. And this time, when it goes under, it's going to come over to this side. So you want to take it back through again, all right, and pull it. Okay, so basically this is what your earring is looking like so far, and you can adjust it. Now what you want to do next is you got this came through here, so now you want to take this piece that's left over right here and you want to tuck it through this opening up at the top. Okay, you want to take it through there. Take your time, taking it through. And you might have to just keep working it. And then I'm just gonna like pull on it. Okay. All right. And I'm gonna bring it through here. Like this. All right, and that's going to come down in the front. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pliers, come down to the bottom right here, and make like some spirals. Rolling this up. Just like this. Take my finger and just roll this up like that and pinch that down like this. And that's what you're gonna have, okay? A lot of work for a little earring, right? So the next thing you wanna do is you wanna bring this piece here over, and this dowel is going to make your loop. So you wanna put that on your dowel like this. All right, bring it all the way over, take this out, and then you want to take and come here and snip just like that, and then you make your adjustments. Now you don't necessarily have to do this part of what I'm doing, but just wanted y'all to see. And that's your earring. And you got yourself a really cute pair of earrings. Now you know every time you do this, every time you make an earring, it's not always going to come out exactly like the very first one. This was my prototype right here, but these are both of these. I did both of these earrings the same exact way. Same exact way. They look different, but I did them the same way. Okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. If you like these videos that I have been bringing to you all, please make sure you show me some love and thumbs my videos up so that they can go into rotation. Okay? And I want to say thank you to my new supporters. Thank you so much for joining me, and also my loyal supporters. Thank y'all so very much. Okay, and also make sure that if you do subscribe that you hit the all bell button that's somewhere, okay, so that when I upload more videos you will definitely be the first one to be notified. All right, so I want to thank y'all again for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.